Hey, let's go swimming. Okay, let's go swimming. Okay, let's go. Let's get dressed and then go swimming. Some sunscreen so we don't get burned. Check out my things and get dressed. Okay, I'm gonna wear this. Change into my bathing suit. Yeah. Okay, you gotta put my phone away or else it's gonna get stolen. So let's go swimming. Oh, how much is the boat? It's 10 Toga dollars. Okay, we're going on. Oh, sail the boat. Whoa, thanks for transferring us here. Oh my gosh, look at this place. It's so beautiful. Wait. Whoa, this is so beautiful. Is this a treasure box? Oh, it's just coins. Okay. Ooh, what's here? Whoa, this is so cute. Yeah, I know it's cute. I've been here, but I didn't come down here. Whoa, is that a mermaid? A shark. Let's go. We're not gonna grab the diamond. Okay. The boat is still here. Let's go. How is it going backwards? I don't know. I just bought this boat. Hi, bestie. Ooh, I'm gonna go fishing. Wait, is this a skateboard? No. Okay, I'm gonna go fishing. Hey, into this. Okay. Gonna grab a fish. Wait, I'm gonna go fishing for this kind of fish. So. From 1 to 6. 1 to 6. Pull it out. I grabbed 2 fish. Here you go. Thanks. Ew. 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 That's gross. Anyways, let's eat our snacks. Ooh, I'm gonna buy this. How much is this? Oh, it's for free today. Okay, I'm gonna grab 2. $100. Did you pay for that? No, it's the person said it's for free. What the heck? Okay, let's on your credit card. I love water. I know you do. Okay, wait. Let me pick this up. My glasses. It's the best day ever. Well, I gotta get dressed. I found this cool shawl. Yeah, I was there when we found it. Okay, I'm also gonna get dressed because we gotta go soon. Yeah, I brought extra towels, but we don't need them. Wait, let me see the time. 5 p.m. already. This place was supposed to be closed. Okay. Our lunch. Okay, you gotta go. Okay. Okay, let's go. Wait, they're selling cool fishing stuff, but you don't even know fishing. I know, but we could buy this. How much is that? Oh, that's $50. Okay. Thanks. You're such a kid. We don't even need that. We do. Oh, let's go. Bye.